Hello and season's greetings. My name is Elle and I'm the Senior Director of Neale Sweet and Nice's new Baked Goods Department. We are so excited and looking forward to sharing new Caribbean authentic baked goods with you in the new year. But for today, we are going to be baking a special traditional cake found in the homes of many islanders during the holiday season, and that's black cake. So let's get baking. Now this is my favorite part and your opportunity to put your own special twist on things, just like it kind of is from island to island and from home to home. Because you can choose your favorite combination of dried fruit and rum and wine. But for today's recipe, we will be using a mixture of dried currants, prunes, raisins, glazed cherries, and fruit mix, as well as some dark rum and some port wine. Caribbean bakers take a lot of pride in how long they soak their fruit for. Today's fruit has been soaking for about a month, and it's just enough time to mesh all the flavors together for a delicious cake. Now let's start assembling our ingredients. Step 1, cream together your butter and sugar and blend until it is a light pale color. Step 2, incorporate 4 eggs one at a time until the mixture is light and fluffy. Step 3, blend your soaking fruit with some cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, vanilla extract, almond extract, some burnt sugar and molasses, and then add it to your cake batter and mix together. Step 4, in a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients. That's some flour, baking powder, and salt. Step 5, slowly add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and mix until incorporated. Now that your cake batter is complete, pour into a well-greased pan and bake at 300 degrees for about 1 hour, and then turn it down to 250 degrees for 30 more minutes. Once your cake has cooled, add a little more rum and wine on top for some extra richness and flavor. You can even kick it up a notch and pair it with your favorite Neale Sweet and Nice ice cream. My name is Elle, and from our family to yours, happy holidays.